Something a little bit new today. Out on the mountain bike. Just a test really. People like these sort of videos, I'll keep on doing them. If I lose the GoPro, I won't carry on doing them. Oh. Bad back today, I shouldn't be on the bike. Thought, better get out. Here our favourite place, me and Cabana usually here. I'm by myself today, Flats Lane. Been in a few of our videos. Local place, a couple of miles up the road. Pretty much right into the countryside. Chain come off. I lost my momentum now. Right, that would happen when I'm recording, wouldn't it? Chain come off the first time, so I had the bike a few weeks. That might have knocked something when it was in the car or whatever. This isn't too steep, but it still sort of is. To the lefty, this is hard, and I might do it. See if I can make it up. It's hard just to get straight out from the car onto a steep hill like this. It's hard. Come on. Oh. Roots. I'm on here, my bike is the Voodoo Hoodoo 2018 hardtail, 27.5 inches wheels. That's as much as I know without googling it. It's red. I see some of the distance there. Nice dogs. Morning. No nice dogs. Fat. There's a good route up that way, but I sent him with the legs flat this morning. Need another walker. Alright. Flying. A lot of people pedal on downhills, I don't. I class it as a rest. Tell you what, get some speed. From what I've seen on YouTube, it never transcends how actually fast you go on a video. Feels fast anyway. It's quite steep, this. So I've got a good bit of power in my legs, I'd like to think, but it's carrying the extra weight which I have. Makes it hard. Oh, I'm in first gear, still a nightmare. And I've got trousers on for the first time. I like shorts when I'm riding. My legs feel a bit restricted. Nearly there. He's a dog. Don't pee on my bike. I'm just glad I'm knackered. They're obviously mega intimidated by my beauty. They obviously wanted me, but they didn't dare speak up. There's no laugh coming. You see, it's this path is dangerous, I reckon, because there's a lot of bricks sticking out. People say find the line, but I can't. I just go. A lot of nettles. I've got my gloves on. Whoa! Oh, shit! Whoa! Whoa! God, I nearly come off. See, I hope you can tell. It is steep. There's a lot. Like, see the bricks on the floor here. That's what's like. So it's very uneven. Plus, I'm a total noob on a bike. This little path here, me and Kibane found it on we've done a vlog a few videos ago. I found this little path, leads you towards, like, looking towards Nunthorpe. I got dog poo on my bike when I still used it a few weeks ago. I like sort of climbs like this because of the hard work. It looks nothing to even walk it, but on a bike, I tell you, it's hard. These ruts are horrible. Nice day, it looks dull. It's warm, it's about 15 degrees, which is decent when riding a bike. The never-ending hill, this. That little rest has done me good walking there. I need to every now and then. Whoa. Come on. I normally rest here, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm with the push chair. I want to go that way where she's gone, but I have to wait a little bit now. So I go into a big hill back there, fly down it. I'm due a fall, I haven't fell off yet, so I think today will be it on camera. Nice view coming up. Roseberry topping. Me and my friend Tranta, when I was going there one day, we a lot of walking, but it's a good place, a lot of love. If you come from this area, you sort of somewhere to head to. Oh, there's my bike. It's gonna fall over. That little bag's coming handy, that Muddy Fox bag. Saves me carrying my bag with the water bottle in it, the bladder thing that's in there. But this is just easy. It's nice having a backpack on, but I'm still hot. I've got a tracksuit top on and trousers, so I'm not happy. Yeah, cloudy muggy day, but I'm warmer. I'd be warmer regardless, I think, today, because I'm out of breath. This path straight ahead here, it's a good steep hill, but it leads to this massive sort of mud hill. It's impossible to ride up regardless of the conditions. It is for me. I bet most ride it's so steep but muddy as well. I come with Cobain a few weeks ago. He couldn't get up the pool, I didn't know grip on his trainers, so I had to go up, then shuffle back down and get his bike up. Construction. Nunthorpe School. Brother lives over this direction. Nice house. Cobain lives half of the week that direction at Gisborne with his mum. Then the other half of the week that direction with me in South Bank. Is this woman gonna wander? I hope so. Right here, where this woman was just walking. If I can see her, I'll wait, because this is one of the fastest you can go on your bike down this hill over here. Like, I know nothing about it, I'll just set off. I can't control what I'm doing, I've just got to sort of go. I think this is the hill. I looked after it's not. Is it? Yeah, down this one, up there, up ahead, then down, I believe. Pedaling full out. Yes. She's vanished. All in all, I have a good ride around this area. It takes about an hour up, if that, and I do some good bit of ride racing. You may be seeing this woman. I don't crash into her. No, she's gone. Where's she gone? Wow. Feather the brakes a little because I go too fast through here. Yes. Oh, that's good. Excellent. I love that. Such a rush. It's like the Legion of Doom. What a rush. Tell you what, I don't like riding in trousers, tracksuit bottoms, so restricting. We're quite tight on like tighter trousers these. I think only exclusively shorts always in whatever the weather. Nice views. By the way, I should have checked if it was recording. If it is recording, you've seen this video, yeah, you've seen the footage. If it's not, I'm talking to myself and it's weird. As so unfit. Let's go. I've never been this way. I've walked it, maybe on the bike. Change gear there, there's no fifth gear there. God. foot, didn't put a foot down. It's hard to think what I can fit through because the handlebars are wide. I don't know the measurements. If you Google Voodoo Hoodoo 2018, get the specs. It's a decent bike, not really that expensive. The parts are pretty decent on it. I should be pedalling, shouldn't I? I should have my feet like that instead of having one down. That's steep, which I was no walkers. Love the brakes. That's not why you need brakes, I don't know what is. That was good. Oh, look at this. Someone's done that on purpose. I don't think it's very popular for bikes really, because it's quite overgrown. Where am I going? Let's choose the steeper one here. Whoop! Oh, log! Whoop! Oh, didn't sound good. Tight corner this. Coming through. This is good, this downhill bit, but it brings you to like where you park the car when you come in. It's a steep road. Doesn't look it as I keep saying, it doesn't look steep, but they are. I'll be courteous going past this person. Thank you. You're right. I need a bell, don't I? Or a cowbell. I'm only showing off pedaling because she's behind me and she's thinking, oh, look at that lazy fat get. To the left there, that takes you Eston. Well, the Flats Lane's part of Eston Hills. That's where most people go, but Flats Lane's more just easy. It's got tracks and things. I went up the hills the other week, right up there. See that like monument right in the distance? I went up there. I had to wheel the bike most of the way, as you can imagine. But coming down was excellent. path there as well. Let's have a look. I hope this is leading somewhere. A nice little hill. I'm asking for a puncture, aren't I? Right into here. I don't say that's it. Oh, didn't work out, did it? Can I cut through here? Oh no, let's go. Oh. When I go into first gear, it's like clicky and horrible. I don't know what's going on. I'm walking, I don't care who sees me. Oh my god. I'm about to put a burger van there. Plenty of tension there. What's causing the problem?